When I took over the job, I had no idea what the mayor does at the time. And I was given the responsibility to run a municipality with the dependence of the EFF at the time, because we needed the EFF to really be able to pass the reports in council. And I can assure you, and I'm on record when I had a press conference when I resigned, that in the 3 years as a mayor, I'm on record on that the EFF were the most supportive of all the parties in the coalition arrangement that I had. In the 3 years I operated with the EFF, not a single EFF senior official or the leader, and I had numerous engagements with them in that regard, never came to my house or in any of the discussions talked to us about tenders or any issue related to corruption. That I'm on record on that. I don't know if EFF can contradict us.
Vina liphelile. Upremier seGauteng ukupanyaza Lesufi. Ureshuffle cabinet lakhe wayeseqoka uDunga. Kuleko Dunga we-EFF as MEC waka finance. Kwaze kusuka ukukhuluma okuningi ngobe kusuka kuyi ANC ngaphakathi. ANC Youth League, ama-veteran leagues nakwehlukahlukana kwabo kwakhona ukukhuluma okuningi, kodwa ngiyazibuza ukuthi yini le eyinkinga kangaka ngoDunga. Bangizibuza mina angeke ngize ngiyithole vele i-answer. uColin Malatsi angimazi ubekhulumaphi, ngibona ivideo yakhe khona la ku-social media. uPaula futhi ngayo nalento uzusuggest ukuthi bona njenge-Youth League bazokhuluma nemarabhodi ukuthi akushuntshwe uPremier kunikezwe uMayile kukhishwe uPanyaza Lesufi. Kodwa yonke le nkulumo isuka ngoba kuqokwe uDunga as uMEC waka finance. Ufikile Mbalula uphawulile njengoba bebene media briefing mayelana nalonke lolu daba. Siqale uColin Malatsi bese siya kuMbax.
You must go to the Prime Minister of Gauteng, Okhopela Mabona. Utloatola. The Youth League must make an appointment with the Prime Minister of Gauteng and ask for life. I can guarantee you, you'll get them on Monday. Forget, you won't get it there. For 2 years. On Monday, you and Pumi, you must wake up and look for the Prime Minister of Gauteng. Utloatola Mabona. Kena mutamabone ubabamba banobolela. I can say wire some Premier immediately. We must request National to put Comrade Lebogang Maile as the Premier of Gauteng. He has proven beyond doubt that is way above those that we think they are in charge. We don't want to be led by cowards. We want to be led by Lebogang Maile because he's very decisive. He even chooses which department he wants. Now the Youth League PGC must resolve that they want Lebogang Maile as the Premier of Gauteng. I think that's where you get your lights.
Into nje susa lokukhuluma kungaka ukuthi uPremier uPanyaza Lesufi uthathe uNkululeko Dunga wamenza uMEC waka finance. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngemedia briefing abezindaba babuza ukuthi unamapha ama qualification. Wasiyabuza ukuthi no sino minister waka agriculture. Ngesikhathi eqokwa as uminister azange abuzwe lembuzo nje. Kuno minister ophethe public works. Ngesikhathi ebuzwa eqokwa azange ivele imbuzo nje. Manje the inconsistency embuzweni ayikho right. Ngakho ke uma kuumuntu omnyama afuna kuvela imibuzo eminingi, kodwa uma kuumlungu kuyathuleka nje yonke into ibe right. Ngifaka le video lapha ekuqaleni ngoba kulezi insuku lezi kukhulunywa udaba lolu olukhulunywa lapha kuMadlanga Commission. Kodwa ayikho into esavelile eziproof yokuthi iEFF iyathinteka kwecorruption. Into evelayo nje yigama lomuntu othi kunama company, kodwa akukho la kuthiwa khona nangu sibanibani weEFF akafani noMEC lo weAction SA okutholakala ukuthi yena ngempela uyingxenye yonke lento le. Kodwa uHerman Mashaba uthi ngesikhathi eba umeya kule minyaka edlule lapha okuyona political party eyam-assista ngoba wayengazi lutho i-EFF futhi ayikazi yamfuna amathenda ayikazi yamfuna amafavor. Uzikhulumela yena Herman Mashaba akakhulunyelwa umuntu ngoba iqiniso lihle kwesinye isikhathi. Ngifuna ukuphendula abantu mhlawumbe abangase bazibuza ukuthi uDunga ngabe unayo na experience endabeni ze-finance futhi angakwazi na ukumanage indaba ze-finance njengoba kuthiwa i-budget yakhona it's about 180 billion rand leyala eGauteng. Ufikile Mbalula wakhuluma kanje.
Was the first phase. The second one, we went to meet in a meeting, face to face. They came with their expert on budget. Some guy they've employed there. It's not political leader. Is their expert on these matters. We don't have experts. We've got political leaders. Anyone can relate to the budget, including myself with my voodoo economics. I can engage with the budget. Now, we pride ourselves of that. I mean, Zugo was presenting our position here. He's a member of the NEC. Now, they brought their expert. Their expert explained elaborately the role of treasury. And he traced it from which year? 18 something. And then up until now, and he explained it to his boss, Julius, in the meeting. Because I explained to them that we don't run treasury. And that we've got no intention to run treasury. Okay? We've got no intention to run treasury as the ANC. Those who want to do so have failed in the past, including Weekend Special. They failed. We've got no intention as the ANC.
Balekile lento eshuwo uMbax la ukuthi bona as ANC they don't run i-treasury. Kukhona la iranwa khona i-treasury. Angizukhuluma ke leyo ndaba le. Futhi iphuze libalekile la ukuthi EFF uma ngabe izokhuluma ngebudget funa wazi ukuthi basuke bethole iseluleko neadvice baboniswa kahle i-expert uDr. Komani Chimomola. Uyena lo abakhuluma ngaye. So okusho ukuthi ukungena kwaDunga kulesa sikhundla une-advantage ngoba bana someone lapha ku-EFF oyiqondayo indaba ye-finance. Angazi mina yini leshisa uColin Malachi kangaka ukuthi aze afuna ukuthi akususa uPanyaza ngoba eqoka uDunga we-EFF angazi. Kodwa ngoba phela usesitshelile uMbalula ukuthi bona is ANC they don't run i-treasury. They don't run i-treasury. But manje ufuna ukugaxela indabeni lezi zebudget leya la eJohannesburg noma la eGauteng ngingathi eJohannesburg eGauteng ngoba phela uPanyaza uprima eGauteng yonke not just eJohannesburg kuphela. Kodwa uDunga une-advantage because bane-expert ku-EFF okusho ukuthi kungenzeka imali ihandlishwe kahle ngoba bane-expert. Asicaphuna uMbax ngoba uMbax uphawulile ngalolu daba bese siyayivala le video. Inhloso yami akusukuthi le video ibe yinde. Ngicela uzwe la.
Of course, there's been issues with regard to reshuffle of Gauteng Executive Council. Gauteng did come to brief us about the difficulties they are passing the budget, and they were given a specific mandate. And this Monday we will reflect on that mandate and what has happened to it, and whether or not it was followed to the latter. At the present moment, I wish to pause there about it, and but we are very happy that the budget was passed, because the budget is not something that belongs to the party. It belongs to the citizens. So political parties, whether they are in governance or not, or they are in the executive, they've got the responsibility to negotiate the budget, not for positions, but for budget to serve their constituencies and all of that, to be reflective of their interest. But people, when they negotiate budget, they negotiate exchange of positions. Put me in. Not that this budget must serve our people for this particular purpose and all of that. But nonetheless, we are very happy that the budget was passed. This Monday, we'll give a report to the officials with regard to the outcome of that mandate that was given to the comrades in Gauteng. I wish to add again and reprimand structures of the ANC, publicly so. Dissatisfaction and dissent is not expressed in the manner in which it's done. If you have a dissatisfaction about Gauteng and Panyaza in terms of the changes they have done, you wait to be briefed. That's how organizations work. And then on the basis of that, we then take steps. We can't create a protest movement within. And it's for the last time we do that. We reprimand in public. Next time, we're going to take steps of discipline. It's for the last time. ANC members have got access to the organization that have been taken in Gauteng that affect maybe the image of the ANC publicly in their own perspective. These comrades, they must raise those issues with the SG directly. And some did, I must say. The veterans did raise their concerns with the SG, but the rest, they must understand that the ANC, this organization is run properly. If you've got concerns and you've got dissent, raise them with the SG and make your case so that we can attend to it. The veterans have done that, and we will respond to the veterans properly post-Monday reflection by the officials on this matter. And I want to agree with you because the issues that have been raised were in public mainly by ANC structures. That pattern of doing things does not assist the cohesion of the movement and the image of the ANC, because it projects the party that does not respect itself and so on. So the center must hold, and that's what I'm saying. And it's the last time I make that call. Any individual who's going to make such statements in future, they will face the wrath of the ANC constitution. Because it's not been politically wise or advanced to stand in public and attack each other. Yes, you can disagree with some of the decisions. How many people have disagreed with president's decisions about the reshuffle? Have they gone to public and disagreed? Because we understand it's not our call. Deployment is not our call. I would have long wanted to become a minister of police, but it was delayed. It's not my call. And then it's my feeling. The center is the party that decides. We can be reshuffled. Peter Mokaba one time was not appointed. Not even reshuffled, appointed. We wanted to march to President Mbeki that time, because Peter Mokaba was our president. But Peter Mokaba talks to us and say, now from the grave, the day you are going to ask for my deployment, you must know you have lost your way. Because deployment is not a matter of principle, that I am entitled to a position. It's a call for those who are in charge. That's why deployment is not discussed in PECs, PWC. If we can be discussing those things in meetings, the organization will be stuck. You must wake up redeployed. You don't know why. You are redeployed. That's a decision. So, if there are concerns, of course, in the context of the coalition arrangements, tactical choices the party have taken, members raises those issues, we will engage on those particular matters, why certain decisions were taken, and what was the mandate. And we must stick to the mandate. It's important. It's part of parcel of discipline. ANC members and leaders must learn to be disciplined. You don't deviate from the mandate. When you are given a mandate, go and do this, you don't deviate from the mandate. You stick with the mandate. And if you've got difficulties, you report that I'm faced with difficulty A and B and so on, but you don't deviate. That is part and parcel of foundational course, which is about political discipline. Political discipline is not theory. You internalize it. Part of it teaches you that once you have been given a mandate, you don't change it along the way. That's how people start to sell out, because they change mandates that they don't have. So we will deal with that. We'll deal with dissent politically in relation to Gauteng.
Enhle ngalento esho uMbax la ukuthi uPanyaza uzile kubo as national leadership or NEC wafike wachaza inkinga abhekene nayo eGauteng mayelana nodaba lwebudget. Bakhuluma bavumelana okusho ukuthi ukuthatha lesinqumo sokufakwa kukaDunga we-EFF lapha kule portfolio kuba uMEC we-finance i-national leadership i-aware kusho uMbax. Ingakho ethi uma kunezinto ongazizwa kahle awuhambi ukhuluma noma kuphi. Sengathi lento nabantu abangamalungu omkhonto wesizwe party bangayifunda. Uma unenkinga awuhambi ukhuluma ngayo noma kuphi. Ukhuluma einhlakeni eziright emkhakheni eright la kufanele ukhulume khona, njengoba esho ukuthi uma ungazwisisi kahle woza bakubriefe bakutshele kwenzakalani bese ke usuku usuright ngoba uzobe usuchazelekile. Njengoba esho nje ethi uma kodwa manje akazi ukubathathela inyathelo, kodwa uma bengase beqhubeke bazokubona kwakho ezikade emthini. uMbax ke lo uyashushisana kadlali. Kodwa ke inesifundo lento ukuthi uma ukwi-organization kukhona izinto ozibonayo ukuthi ayihambi kahle noma zikuphathi kahle, awuveli uvula uTikTok wakho noma ungene kuFacebook live ukhulume khona, ngoba ukukhuluma khona akusizi ukuthi ixazulule lento le wena ekuphethe kabi. Izolokhu ikhona noma usuqedile ukukhuluma. Angazi noma mawukhuluma lapho usukumobilize abantu na ukuze nikwazi ukujikela iqembu, angazi. Kodwa nje ibalekile eziningi izifundo ongazifundi. ANC ke i-organization endala ena 113 years exist, 112 113 113 years exist. Kukhona ke abantu abangakufunda kuyingakho ke uMbax ethi etshela abantu ukuthi organization iranwa kanjani ezebeka imizekelo njobe khuluma ngoPeter Mkaba nabanye. Angivale le video. Bengitshela le video ngifuna ibe u10 minutes, kodwa ngenxa ukuthi kune video kaMbax ne video kabani ne video kabani sigcina yafika la ifike khona. Kodwa nje ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphawula kwakho la comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Wena ongaka subscribe ngiyacela subscribe kumahala, awukhokhi lutho. Ukusubscribe nje kumahala. Ningajoina ne-membership yale channel. Iqala nje ku 20 rand, 40 rand, 100 rand kuya phezulu ngenyanga. Futhi manje sengithe mangenza ivideo izoqala iphumela imember laba bangama-member. Ukusho ukuthi mangabe ivideo ngiyikhiphe ngo-8, wena ongesimember mhlawumbe ungaze uyibone ngo-3, iqala ibonwe ngama-member. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.